Ho, ho, ho! Merry Toolmas, everybody! Today marks the beginning of the first annual 12 Days of Christmas here with Making Stuff and Breaking Stuff with Al. I'm going to bring you 12 gift ideas every day until the day before Christmas. Christmas Eve, I'm not going to do it on Christmas Day because I'm going to be with my family. Simple gifts that are perfect for the dad, boyfriend, grandpa, uncle, even the wife. You know, there's a lot of DIY ladies out there who like to do stuff, and even the professional ladies out there as well. It's going to be 12 great gift ideas. Maybe we might have a couple multiples each day. So with that being said, stick around to go on and see these gift ideas. Hit that intro. Right back into it, guys. Today's day number 12 days of Christmas. My true love gave to me a pack of drill bits. We're talking about drill bits. Now, if you own these sweet packs of drill bits for your loved one, they will be happy, I guarantee it. If they're not, well, then they're a dick. Milwaukee drill bit set. This is, I believe, the 64 piece. My set's missing a lot because I use it. It comes with 4 or 5 drill bits. You get a lot of 2-inchers. You get a couple nut drivers, a couple miscellaneous things. This is a good little set. I want to say this retails right around $15 to $25, depending on where you get it. So that is a great pick. Secondly, both these are good for the professional. I really like the Dewalt. Is my favorite because of the interlocking cases. If you guys want to see my other video, I'll put a card up here where I reviewed these cases, the card right here. They simply snap together, kind of like the Tough system, and then this locks like that, and then you can put them all together. I have 3 of these. I have the older one, I have the newer one, and then I have the drill bits. Also, they all snap together. I can get them apart now. And everybody likes them because they got the clear case. So ladies, if you're going to get your man a Dewalt set, do not get this crappy set. You can get this for $9 at Lowe's or Home Depot. Don't buy this one here. Ladies, buy your man the clear top one. He will love you forever. Or whoever. It's a great gift idea for all guys. They will love these. It fits right into a stocking. You know, get multiple, fill that stocking up. So, second is the Dewalt stackable drill bits. Makita. Now if your man uses Makita, or you prefer this, it's not a bad little set. The Makita Golds are, it's a toss-up between these and the other one, which one's my favorite. But the Makita Golds are really good. This set, I want to say it's $9.99 or $14.99. All the drill bit sets are on sale right now at Home Depot. You can get, actually, Makita has a 2-pack for $19.99, which would be a great stocking stuffer. So Makita. Last but not least, we have Ryobi, or Ryobi, however you guys like to say it. This is the, I think this is the 64, 72 piece. This is the larger bit set. It has all the nut drivers and miscellaneous pieces you could use. This actually comes in handy a lot. Like I was taking my kids' bunk beds apart, and this has all the different size Allen wrenches in it. Or squares, whatever you call it. So actually I use this for that. This I've seen, I think, from $7 up to $20. So it depends on where you get it again. But look on the end caps, look in the display cases. These are on sale all the time. Like I said, I've seen these crappier DeWalt ones. What were they? $4.45 on Black Friday at Lowe's? I mean, just dirt cheap. So there you go, guys. That's my pick for the first day of Christmas gifts. Or should I say, the 12th day of Christmas. So, come along, sing with me. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me an awesome set of drill bits. And tomorrow, we'll do number 11. Have a blessed day, guys. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell button. As always, see ya.